What is up?
Sama.
Ano sabi mo?
Sama.
Sama? Saan ka pupunta?
Sa house.
You wanna see the pool?
Pwede
Let's
na ba?
go!
Let's go!
Hello.
Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Porac Pampanga, and this is Greenery Private Pool Resort. Tara! Yun guys, so nandito nga tayo dito sa ground level or ground floor ng ating villa for today. And if you will notice, this is the living area. Yeah? You got your Netflix, internet-ready TV, and then dito naman is your dining table. Ayan. So this one's good for, 6 person. Meron tayong kitchen sink doon. And then this one is actually the room dito sa baba. So tingnan natin siya. So this is actually a king-size bed. Can, accommodate 3 person. Maluwang pa sa kanila yan. And then meron tayong bathroom dito. So fully air-conditioned. Then panik naman tayo dun sa second floor. Alright. So para sa akin, napaka wood feel niya. Parang mga bahay sa Baguio. Parang ganun yung ano.
Actually, yung feeling na napaka-elegant, napaka-cozy, at the same time napaka-luwas.
Yes. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Let's check out the rooms. Dito naman sa second level natin. So dito sa second floor, meron pa rin siyang 2 kwarto. And the first room dito, it has 2 beds. Ayan. Ito naman, it can accommodate 3 person. Maluwang pa rin sa kanila yan. So this one can accommodate up until 6 to 8 person. Yan, pwede sila dito. Again, air conditioned guys. And then, dito sa taas, meron din siyang balcony dito. So later, pupuntahan natin yan. Tapos meron tayong common CR dito sa taas. And then another room dito sa second level. It's this one. Ganda. Ayan. So again, it has 2 beds. And this time, meron siyang separation dito. I think this is bigger dun sa kabilang room, no? Again, 6 to 8 person probably. No? Depende sa size ng mga matutulog dito. And then, punta naman natin yung kanilang balcony, which is very, very breathtaking, guys. Check this out. Right, so this is it. This is the view dito sa balcony nila. And overview natin yung mga swimming pool. So we have 2 swimming pools, Mark, no?
So meron tayo dito yung mga adult na swimming pool. At the same time, meron tayong on the other side is yung pang TV and jacuzzi.
So siguro, let's go there. Pakita natin yung mga pools natin. And pag-usapan natin yung mga rates dito.
Yeah.
Let's go! Alright, so I think this is the best spot for us to talk about the information about this villa, no? This
Private resort.
Private
dito
resort,
sa may
diba?
Porac Pampanga. So it is only for 20,000 pesos for weekdays and 22,000 for weekends. Starting Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Then ang pinaka maximum capacity niya, if you rent the whole villa is 20 bucks.
20 bucks? Marami-rami na.
Marami-rami na. Actually, rent mo yung buo. Kasama na yung pool, even yung mga restroom and yung function hall.
You talk about the function hall actually.
Yes.
Today na na-invite kami dito. Good thing may event, no?
Yes, actually may wedding ngayon.
Uh-huh.
So, since yung villa is sa atin,
Uh-huh.
yung function hall is rent nila for 10,000 pesos.
Only.
And kung gusto mo naman mag-swimming din, additional 5,000 for the pools. Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, for example, day tour and you just want to use the function hall at saka yung pool natin, mas mura pala.
Mas mura siya.
15,000 pesos.
Same time, you could have a garden event.
Oh,
dito.
there. Oh,
Yes.
tama.
Same as dun sa function hall, it's only 10,000 pesos. And additional 5,000 and kasama mo yung pool.
Para sa akin, yung garden area nila is lalo na kung event mo is around 4 p.m. going, you know, the sunset.
Yes.
Napaka-romantic niyan.
Actually, napakaganda nga niyan, lalo na makita mo napakatahimik, isolated yung lugar, talagang ma-feel mo yung solemnity ng event.
Alright, so Mark, ikot pa tayo.
Tara!
Sarap? Are you having fun?
Ganda ko doon!
Good morning, Pampanga! So this is our breakfast dito po sa Greenery. Ayan, if you notice, pakita ko yung mga kasama natin, no? Ayan, so time is around 9 a.m., no? And then, meron na kagad nagpe-prepare ng another event for today. So, I guess, no? This is really a great, another option for you to, you know, hold your event. It's a beautiful day. Tapos, swimming tayo mamaya dito. Ulit! So, see you there! Alright, so final day today. This is our second time na magsuswimming dito. First time was last night and it was super amazing. Medyo mainit na pero syempre gusto pa rin mag-swimming ng mga bata. Ayan, diba? So, again guys, if you're looking for an alternative to hold your event done or have an overnight stay, Greenery Private Villa Resort is open for you guys. So, located po ito dito sa Calzadang Bayu, Porac Pampanga. And napakaganda ng lugar, napaka-aliwalas. And since bago pa lang to guys, added factor yung malinis at talagang kumbaga well-maintained pa yung lugar na to. So again, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.